Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about the top affiliate network for marketers called Avangate. So here's the pros, the cons, and a quick breakdown about how this affiliate network marketer works. So let's dive into it. Avangate is a global affiliate and digital commerce platform that helps marketers, companies, digital sellers build affiliate programs, manage partners, and drive revenue through performance-based channel. It offers tools for affiliate recruitment, tracking, payout, and detailed analytics, all designed to help you grow sales with partner without handling every transaction manually. So for more marketers who want a scalable affiliate network with robust commerce features, Avangate integrations with payment processing and global storefront capability is a strong advantage. That said, some users find the Avangate interface and setup a bit dated compared to newer affiliate platform, and pricing or revenue share times can vary depending on the plans and region you find yourself. Additionally, the onboarding partners effective still require active management to get the best result. So my opinion, I actually think the Avangate stand out as a solid affiliate network and digital commerce solution for marketers looking to expand sales through affiliate. But those wanting the ultra modern dashboard or the simplicity might explore more recent affiliate platform for better result. And that's it. Hope you find the video up for a video. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.